everybody. Nylon 66 Remington back out at the range with the barrel replaced. Excuse me. The date code on this is 1964. The barrel, that is. And I also replaced the trigger guard, which had somebody's initial etched on it. So I've got parts that are readily available for this gun. Went ahead and put a scope on it, and it is a see-through the bottom scope. I didn't want to bore you with me sighting it in, so I went ahead and did all that off camera. And I'm going to show you where I'm at with it. I'm going to turn the camera on. So now, right now, the scope, watch it make a liar out of me. The scope is dialed in really good, and my iron sights are good. The problem with my iron sights are my eyeballs. So I am going to shoot the top target with the scope, and the bottom target with the middle target, not the bottom target, the iron sights. And so we'll start with the target. And we're using the scope at 50 yards. That one didn't load, did it? Put it in fire to help. And my scope's off just a little bit. I don't know if I bumped it or what. Let's bump up a little bit and go right a click. Probably not enough. But
which one are you shooting at again, Pat? The left one?
nice, really nice tight groups. However, I'm going to go 4 clicks. I don't know how many I got left in here, maybe one.
Yeah, right at the top of the paper, actually.
None. I got 0. But I'm going to pause the camera and reload. Okay. I'm going to shoot that top target again. So I got the camera on again. We'll do the top target again with the scope. And see if I got the elevation up a little bit more. Yeah. It's up a little bit more. That's not bad. Looks like it needs to go right. I'll do 2 clicks. Okay, I'm going to go with the middle target and switch my glasses with the iron sights. Now, this group won't be as tight. And I'm going to aim at the very bottom, the 6 o'clock position, right at the bottom of the black of the middle. And I had a hang for. I had one that didn't got hung up in there. I think we're good. However, I have to recock the. Yeah, unfortunately, that created a problem. Now I got a double feed. All right. So now I got one on top. There we go. All right, so I just load some more up in the magazine. Camera's running. I think we're cocked. So again, iron sights, middle target, and I'm aiming right at the 6 o'clock position because I can see that. And that's pretty much where I hit. And with the iron sights, obviously my group spreads out a little bit because I really have trouble with my eyes with the iron sights. Even with these glasses, and these glasses are full of oil spray. But yeah, this gun's shooting really well. This replacement barrel's working really well. I'm going to go back to the scope now on the middle target. I think I'm okay. I'm going to take one shot, see where this adjustment went. That one's low. What the heck? All right. That's weird. That is weird. And I got one hung up in there again.
1 minute to ceasefire. 1 minute to ceasefire.
And that was the end of it anyway. But, yeah, that's weird. Huh. All right, well, let's pause the camera. Okay. I put up new targets. I'm going to use the scope again on the middle target. I don't know why that scope did that. That's kind of weird. I had it dialed in. So let's shoot the middle target. See what's going on here. And we're grouping. We're grouping right now. That's weird. I literally had this thing dialed in. Maybe I need a different scope.
Well, from what I can see, it's still high.
And there you go. It shoots really good group. My point is this barrel works really well. And I know the iron sights work. So it's weird. Those dialed in for now. I really don't know what's going on. It just could be the way this thing's mounted or not. I don't know. I don't have the trouble with this particular mount on my. I have the same mount on a different rifle, and it works just great. But yeah, that replacement barrel works really well. The gun does have a little problem with not ejecting the last round. But you know, this is a pretty old gun. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you what that replacement barrel looked like. All right, I'm going to move on.